Good morning. My name is Madaya Ardila Rojas. Technology and its effect on environment. In recent years, we have observed that technology has contributed to significant advances in many contexts. However, we can't deny that it has had extremely negative consequences on the environment. One of the main problems is atmospheric pollution, which comes from various sources such as thermal power plants, polluting gases for industries and armed fuels, causing surface warming, bringing about to the atmosphere and the resource in content that are necessary for life, as well as damage to human health. In my opinion, I believe that environmental pollution in advances every day, and this is due to the negligence of human based and to one God offered the various resources such as flora and fauna in their diversity in order to meet the need. So, in the eagerness to advance, the demand for energy and transportation services increases, as well as in industry or agriculture, among other, which as for to make important decisions about technology in order to provide the services that society demands. Likewise, there is an increase in raw materials, which makes natural resources scarce, and those that still remain are affected by waste or toxic residues that are expelled into the atmosphere, producing the famous acid rain, which in turn degrades the land, causing serious damage to plant life. This in turn degrades the land, causing serious damage to plant and animal life and contamination of river, as well as contributing to greenhouse effect, which causes global warming to increase, resulting in climate change, causing destruction and incalculable losses that affect the economy, and the stability of mankind. Understanding that if we all belong to a society with similar needs, it is this our duty to take action and minimize the negative consequences of the pollution of our environment. Science and is this that provides what we need to live. That is to say, every act that generates change is necessary to apply it from our young to any type of context where we can be involved. Simple actions such as saving weather, consuming less energy, separating garbage, planting a tree led to a decrease in the effects that destroy us. At the same time, large companies, industries, and other institutions can take action such as making efficient use of energy, calculating their environmental footprint, looking for reference to valorize their waste, optimizing the packaging of their products, improving management where the environment is a fundamental part of it, among other, are and will be significant action that will impact our environment in appropriate manner. Likewise, governments might create policies that force an appropriate use of technology, as well as generate proposals for sustainable development where natural resources are used appropriately, being demonized by the United Nations. That is you all contribute together in a certain and timely manner, we will have transforming results that will benefit at in general way, not only in our present but also in the future. Thank you. Blessings.